In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of Face ID and passcode missing in the settings of your iPhone. Many users have reported encountering this problem, which can be frustrating and inconvenient. However, with a few simple steps, you can resolve this issue and regain access to these important security features on your device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and if I scroll down, you'll see that I don't have the Face ID and Passcode option. It is not visible and missing. To fix that and make it visible again, scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap where it says Content and Privacy Restrictions. What you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a section called Allow Changes, and in that section you'll see an option called Passcode Changes. Tap on it. So if you have this set to Don't Allow, it is what is causing your issue. To fix the issue of Face ID and passcode missing in the settings of your iPhone, simply tap and select the Allow option. Now if I go back, you'll see that I have the Face ID and passcode option back on the settings page. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.